Hey guys, welcome back to Techly Yours. If you have been writing React for a while, you have probably been copy pasting the same. Hey guys, welcome back to Techly Yours. If you have been writing React for a while, you have probably been copy pasting the same code and the same logic across components, debouncing a search, fetching a data, syncing with local storage. So today we are going to fix that. I am going to show you 5 custom hooks you can build right now and use in every single project. So before we build, let's see what exactly is a custom hook. It's simply a function that starts with the word use and can call React hooks inside it. That's it. No magic. The beauty is that it lets you extract repetitive stateful logic from your components and share it anywhere. So let's build the first one. Hook number 1, useDebounce. Imagine a user typing in a search bar without debouncing. Your app fires an API call on every single keystroke. That's terrible for performance. Debounce means wait until the user stops typing for a set amount of time, then fire once. Here is how we can build it. We use useState to store the debounced value and useEffect with set timeout. The key part, the cleaner function that clears the timer every time the value changes. So the timer only actually fires when the user stops typing. And look at this, how clean the usage is. One line in your component, and that's the power of a custom hook. Hook number 2, useFetch. Every React app fetches data, and most developers write the same loading, error, data state in every component. Let's extract all of that into one reusable hook. Our hook takes a URL, manages all three states, and gives your component exactly what it needs. Nothing more. Hook number 3, use local storage. This one is my personal favorite. It works exactly like useState, but the value persists even after the user refreshes the page. Think like dark mode preferences, cart items, user settings. The hook reads from local storage on first render and syncs every update back automatically. Hook 4, useToggle. This is the simplest one, but you will use it almost everywhere. Anytime you have something that switches between two states, open and closed, visible and hidden, on and off, instead of writing use state and a handler every single time, you just call useToggle. One line and it's done. Hook number 5, use window size. This hook gives you the live width and height of the browser window, updating on every refresh. Perfect for responsive logic in JavaScript, like showing a hamburger menu below 768 pixels or calculating canvas dimension. It attaches a resize event lister and cleans it perfectly. Here is your quick reference slide. Pause and screenshot this. Use debounce for search and input delay. Use fetch for all your API calls. Use local storage when data needs to survive a refresh. Use toggle for any boolean state. Use window size for responsive JavaScript logics. 5 hooks, every project, forever. So if you are preparing for a React interview, custom hooks are almost everywhere it is asked. The key question you will get is, how would you share stateful logic between two components? The answer is custom hook, not HOCs, not render props, only custom hooks. That's a modern React answer, and it will definitely impress your interviewer. If you found this video useful, save this, share this, and do like and subscribe the channel, because every Sunday I drop exactly like this component content and content like this for the interview preparation. So which of these 5 hooks you are going to use first, and if you want the complete code for all 5 hooks, comment me in the video and I'll share the code with you in next Sunday, and definitely will going to explain you. So thanks for watching and happy learning.